my name is Ashley and welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. Today we are going to DIY this pom-pom tassel straw purse. These always come in season around spring and summer when everyone's like going on vacation to Bali or wherever they're going. And some of them can be pretty expensive, so you can make your own bespoke piece for definitely less than $20. And if you're a huge crafter like me, you probably have pom-poms in your stash already. So let's get to the DIY so that we can save some money.
For the supplies, you'll need a purse. I got mine at Michael's, glue, thread, pom-poms, tassels. I started by sorting them into different colors and sizes.
So I'm starting by just sewing the tassels around the perimeter of the purse. I think they'll fall off if I glue them, so I'm just gonna sew them carefully. This is the work in progress. Now it's time for all of the pom-poms to go on.
I glued the pom-poms with E6000 glue on the tassels and in between. I just eyeballed it. The hat I'm wearing was also a DIY. The purse, I added a chain to it. I just sewed it on. That's optional. And wear it on your vacation and have fun.
That was a bad move.
Bad move? Huh?
Yeah. Because now the bishop can just now take.
Once again, make your own purse. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like, subscribe, connect with me. I would be so grateful if you left me a comment. It would make me so happy. But happy summer, and I hope it gets even warmer than the 10 degrees it is right now.